Hey guys, John Morgan here, and I'm going to show you how to fix the switch on a Dyson. This Dyson has been sitting unused in our basement for a few years. I don't even know how long, 2 or 3 years at least. And it's all because it wouldn't turn on. But we really like it. It's an older Dyson, but it's awesome. And we were about to toss it, but I decided to see. I was pretty sure it's just the switch that needs replacing, but I wasn't sure. Anyways, I've been too lazy to do it. So I already opened this up, but I don't want to. It was such a pain, and I'll show you what was a pain about it. But you take this off, and then you unscrew this screw here, which is already partially out because oops, wrong way. So you take this screw out, and then this piece here was the pain. So if you take this off, you can then see, well, this just comes off easy now, but it's actually wedged in there good with these clips. And I thought I was gonna break it. So that was the biggest pain. I watched a video on this, and maybe I'll link to it in the description. But she's like, oh yeah, it's a little bit tight or something like that. And it was more than a little bit tight. So I didn't want to put it back in for this video. I'll show me putting it back on though. So then here's the little switch right here. And this one looks like it functions fine. But when I took it out of here, of course, unplug the whole thing before you start this. I then took it out, and I tested it with, this is an old multimeter, but you put it on ohms, and then like when you connect the circuit, you're gonna see most of them are digital these days, but either way, I then, here, whoops, excuse me, come on in here. I then just touch them together, and you have no reaction. So then if you click it down, so now the circuit should be connected. And when you go like this, there's no reaction on there. So that's my old one. I just got the new one today. Hopefully this works. I then touch these together. Of course it's off, but if I click this down, then that should react. So we have reaction, so the circuit connects. So it should be as simple as replacing this, and let's see if it is this simple. So hopefully this works. Put that back in there, just slides in. Now here's the part that I didn't want to do before, and maybe just for grins, since that was such a pain to take off, I'm going to leave this, and I'm going to plug in the vacuum and see if it works now. Moment of truth. So I assume this works on other Dysons. Doing a little video here. Moment of truth here.
Kidding me?
How many years has it been? I said 2 or 3. I don't even know. More than that?
More than that.
4 or 5.
Just one little, it was $6 part with shipping. I know.
Check the power switch.
I know, and I said, yeah, but then it was always just sitting there. So awesome. It works now. But I still need to show, because I didn't show how I took it off, because I wasn't about to put it back on. This thing, which was a pain. So hopefully it's not a pain to put back on. But this little thing here.
Now I want to
Oh, should unplug it real quick. What? You want to vacuum with it?
Yeah, but I vacuumed already today.
What? Nah, she can't wait to vacuum.
Seriously.
Bonus.
I gotta get it cleaned up. It's all dusty.
So I need to put this on here, and this. I mean, it should fit in nice and easy now.
Oh, there's a little. Don't break the switch. Don't break it.
So on the video I watched, one reason I wanted to do this video is on the video I watched, this little thing was gone on her thing that she was replacing. She replaced the switch, but mine looked like it functioned fine, but it still had a broken, still was broken. Okay, now, can we get this on? Okay, this needs to fit in here, the plug, slides on this thing, boom. This has to go up over top of that. Yeah, okay. Almost there. I don't know what.
It's not lined up.
Yeah. So I got it on, and I just had to press it hard and it snapped in. I'm going to, and this works now, I'm going to attempt to take it off just to show how hard it was. And maybe, because I used some screwdrivers, this screw is already out, and you can't just pop it out. So what I did last time was I used a screwdriver here and on this side to lift it up and unsnap. And try not to damage it, but I got a little bit. I think this is the best route, is just to lift it up like that. And then on the back here, there's these little clips here, and I'm trying not to like break anything, just to get it off. So I have one screwdriver like this. Oops. And I put another screwdriver, I can't remember, I'm almost there. Whoa.
Oh, no.
Did I just break it?
It looks like it. No?
No. So that's how hard it was to take it out. Okay, so I took it out, that's how you take it out. And now to get it back in, I was having such a hard time. This is the new switch, which I replaced. And same thing, you make sure this switch goes over top that. The button goes on top of the switch, there. And then these things just go in there, and it feels like man,
it's about to get in.
So it's like, and then I just clicked it in. There you go. So, you feel like you're gonna break it, but anyways, it wasn't working. So if I had broken it, that would have been sad. But now I just put this back in. All right. Put the whatever this is called back on, like the dust catcher. Put that back in. There. Plug it in. All right, and hopefully it works. Sweet. All right, many years of it just lying around.
Collecting dust.
Now we can't wait to vacuum. Done.